Spicejet 832 Super, turn left heading 210, descend and maintain 5000. Virgin 355, unable at this time, proceed on course to London Heathrow. Roger, Virgin 355. Turn left heading 210, descend and maintain 5000, Spicejet 832 Super. Spicejet 538, turn right heading 270, descend and maintain 6000. Spicejet 242, please follow instructions. Spicejet 242, turn right heading 300, descend and maintain 2000, maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 27 approach.
Turn right heading 270, descend and maintain 6000, Spicejet 538.
Red Knight 420 Heavy, disregard last message. Red Knight 420 Heavy, I'm sorry. Red Knight 420 Heavy, turn right heading 010, maintain 5000.
Turn right heading 300, descend and maintain 2000, maintain 2000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 27, Spicejet 242.
Turn right heading 010, maintain 5000, Red Knight 420 Heavy. November 1 Delta Charlie, turn right heading 080. Turn right heading 080, November 1 Delta Charlie. Spicejet 6469, turn right heading 300, descend and maintain 3500, maintain 3500 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 27 approach. Turn left heading 070 and hold over BB 101 at 7000, left turns, Wilco, Air France 218 Heavy. Mike Alpha November Golf Oscar, turn left heading 200, descend and maintain 5000.
Turn right heading 300, descend and maintain 3500, maintain 3500 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 27, Spicejet 6469.
Roger, Easy 24 Bravo.
Turn right heading 240, descend and maintain 5000 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 27, Spicejet 832 Super. Spicejet 242, contact Mumbai Chhatrapati Tower on 118.1.
Contacting Mumbai Chhatrapati Tower on 118.1, Spicejet 101.
Delta Lima Oscar Whiskey Papa Alpha Zulu is 36 nautical miles south of Nashik Road at 18,700 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 27 at Mumbai Chhatrapati. Air India 626 Heavy, turn right heading 290, descend and maintain 8000. Spicejet 538, turn right heading 310. Turn right heading 290, descend and maintain 8000, Air India 626 Heavy. Saudia 764, please follow instructions.
Turn right heading 310, Spicejet 538.
Turn right heading 200, maintain 7000, Saudia 764. Mike Alpha November Golf Oscar, turn right heading 300, descend and maintain 3500, maintain 3500 until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 27 approach. Spicejet 832 Super, do not exceed 200 knots. Roger, Delta Lima Oscar Whiskey Papa Alpha Zulu. November 1 Delta Charlie, turn right heading 170. Golf Uniform Charlie Charlie India is 36 nautical miles west of Nashik Road at 13,200 feet, requesting ILS approach any runway at Mumbai Chhatrapati. Turn right heading 170, November 1 Delta Charlie. Golf Uniform Charlie Charlie India, continue as filed, expect the ILS approach runway 27 at Mumbai Chhatrapati. Virgin 355, frequency change approved, good day. Roger, Golf Uniform Charlie Charlie India. Emirates 328 Heavy, frequency change approved, good day. Red Knight 420 Heavy, turn right heading 090. Spicejet 6469, do not exceed 220 knots.
Do not exceed 220 knots, Spicejet 6469.
Roger, iFly 026. Air India 001 Alpha Heavy, execute missed approach, turn left heading 130, climb and maintain 5000. November 1 Delta Charlie, do not exceed 180 knots. Saudia 764, turn right heading 270. Spicejet 538, turn left heading 27. Spicejet 6469, contact Mumbai Chhatrapati Tower on 118.1. Mike Alpha November Golf Oscar.
Contacting Mumbai Chhatrapati Tower on 118.1, Spicejet 6469.
Air India 001 Alpha Heavy, requesting departure to the west. Papa
Mumbai Chhatrapati Tower, Spicejet 6469, inbound on the ILS Runway 27.
Line up and wait runway 27. Papa Uniform Papa Yankee.
Contacting Mumbai approach on 127.9, Spicejet 101.
Victor Tango November India Sierra, hold short of runway 27. Holding short runway 27, Victor Tango November India Sierra. Speedbird 789 Heavy, your number 3 for departure. Roger, Speedbird 7. Air India 001 Alpha Heavy, contact Mumbai approach on 127.9. Contacting Mumbai approach on 127.9, Air India 001 Alpha Heavy. Mumbai Chhatrapati Tower. Spicejet 6469, number 1, runway 27, cleared to land. Mike Alpha November Golf Oscar.
Number 1, clear to land, runway 27, Spicejet 6469.
Air India 503, your number 3 for departure. Roger, Air India 503. Papa Uniform Papa Yankee, runway 27, cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27, Papa Uniform Papa Yankee.
Mumbai Chhatrapati Tower, Spicejet 832 Super, inbound on the ILS Runway 27. Mike Alpha November Golf Oscar, maintain slowest practical speed.
400.
Maintain slowest practical speed, Mike Alpha November Golf Oscar.
Spicejet 832 Super, number 3, runway 27,
300.
cleared to land. Number 3, cleared to land, runway 27, Spicejet 832 Super. Papa Uniform Papa Yankee, thank you, good day.
200.
Thank you, good day, Papa Uniform Papa Yankee.
100.
Papa Uniform Papa Yankee, frequency change approved, good day.
40.
Frequency change
30.
approved Papa Uniform Papa Yankee,
20.
good day.
10.
Spicejet 6469, when able turn right, contact ground on the taxiway.
Wilco, Spicejet 6469.
Mumbai Chhatrapati Tower, November 1 Delta Charlie is 13 nautical miles to the east at 4,000 feet, inbound for landing with information November. November 1 Delta Charlie, number 3, runway 27, cleared to land. Number 3, cleared to land, runway 27, November 1 Delta Charlie. Mumbai Chhatrapati Tower, Air India 1777, ready for departure at runway 27, departing straight out. Air India 1777, your number 4 for departure. Roger, Air India 1777. Victor Tango November India Sierra, line up and wait runway 27. Line up and wait runway 27, Victor Tango November India Sierra. Spicejet 832 Super is on final runway 27, full.
Mumbai Chhatrapati ground, Spicejet 6469, request taxi to parking.
Spicejet 6469, taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Taxiing to parking, Spicejet 6469.
Mumbai Chhatrapati ground, Moose 357, ready for pushback. Moose 357, pushback approved, expect runway 27. Pushback approved, Moose 357.
Mumbai Chhatrapati ground, Mike Alpha November Golf Oscar, request taxi to parking.
Mike Alpha November Golf Oscar, taxi to parking, at your discretion.
Taxiing to parking, Mike Alpha November Golf Oscar.
Mumbai Chhatrapati ground, Spicejet 832 Super, request taxi to parking. Spicejet 832 Super, taxi to parking, at your discretion. Mumbai Chhatrapati ground, Air India 850, ready to taxi to runway 27 with information November. Taxiing to parking, Spicejet 832 Super. Air India 850, taxi to runway 27, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 27, Air India 850.